Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the little renovation I did in my living room. Someone actually sent me a message and she was like she wanted to see what I did, so I'm going to be showing you guys everything I did, everything I changed, and hopefully the prices, if I can remember the prices of everything, where I got it, you know. And if you're joining this family for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to click on the bell button to get you notified, so whenever I post new videos you'll be the first to get it. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, which also like you know, I don't know what's doing me today. And without wasting much of your time, keep watching. This is my beautiful living room, guys. We got this chair for about 400k when Alibet was doing promo here in Abuja, and I love this chair so much. You can see it's very unique, it's big, it's comfy, it's just perfect. Like, we're looking for something that was really perfect, and this did it for us. And this table, we made it for about 20k, even though the guy cheated us, the carpenter just cheated us in almost everything he did for us, but somehow it's okay, it's fine. The glass was ours and we just covered it with a black top, I don't know what it's called, and we made this for about 20k. And then this rug, we've had it for a while, hopefully we change it soon because we want something bigger and fluffier. And guys, one of the reasons why I love this chair is the fact that you can keep things on top of it's so cool. And then we changed our DSTV from the normal basic one to Explorer. Guys, if you can, just change to Explorer, is the best. They just cheat us with those other ones. And then guys, I got this telephone for 7k at GSM Village here in Abuja too. Guys, this is just the best thing that will happen to you if you have kids in your house, because me, I've tried using the telephone, the normal phones, and somehow it always gets spoiled. It's either it has fallen like 50 million times and they're no more hearing what you're saying, or the screen, or they have to tie it to rubber band. Like, it's so annoying. But this is so cool because you can even read text messages from it and it doesn't move. It's plugged in my living room near my TV, so it doesn't move. If I call, anybody that wants to pick the call comes there and picks it and keeps it and goes, guys. Another beautiful thing I got was this basket, which I got for 1.5 at one place near that roundabout that goes to Gwarimpa and Life Camp. And I got this flower for about 2k, and I got the flower buckets for 1.2, and the stones I got a bag for 2k, which I put in the 2 buckets. And I made this beautiful thing with a shoe rack, and we paid 10k for it, so I don't really know how much this cost. But then you can see I got this YouTube cup. I saw it at Fax and I loved it. I think I got it for about 1.5, I'm not sure. And then I got this green plant for 800 naira at either Ebano or Fax, I'm not sure. And then I got this diffuser, which I'm now using as a home decor because the smell of this thing, I don't really like it. Hubby likes it, but I don't like it, so I'm using it as a decor. I'm moving into my dining area. My dining area, it's nothing really new. The table, I've had it for a long time. The mats, I've had it, but this basket mat, I don't know what to call it, I bought it for 200 naira, guys. Can you believe it? Each I got it for 200, so it wasn't too much, but it makes the place look so beautiful and African and, you know, so cool. And then I made this flower vase myself. I got the basket I got it for 500, and then the flowers I got them for 3k, 2 bunches. I just used some of them and made this thing. Do you guys like it? Let me know. The other things I can't remember how much I got them because those ones they don't pay, guys. And then this glass shelf, I made it for about 30k, which I know the guy cheated me, but it's cool. So far it helps to store things, keep things, you know, that's okay by me. And this fridge, I can't remember how much I got it. But then this stuff, guys, I love it so much. It just, like, when you enter my house, this is the first thing you see, and we plan to put more pictures here. This is a picture of I and Gina on her baptism day, guys, and that is I and Hobby when we just got married. The memories, guys. And that's our court marriage. That is Hobby carrying Ife on his baptism day, guys. And this is just us during Ife's child dedication. Now I just ask myself why I wore Ife an English dress, why all of us were wearing traditional. And that is it, guys. Hope you guys love my living room. I just tried to make it really comfortable and beautiful and neat, and I think that's the main thing. Just make it look really neat and make sure you take care of your home. That's just the thing I think you should take from my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Love you guys. Bye.